Here is a classic dynamic circuit in Qiskit 2.1 featuring an if block, a nested condition, and an else block. Today, the universal standard used by IBM and others is to smash all these logical paths onto the screen at once. It's accurate, but it's static and hard to verify. At Quantumlings, we've built something better. With our interactive toggles, you verify logic before the run. Currently, the classical register value is 0, so we clearly see the else branch active. Qiskit on Q2 and Q3. Let's test the main condition. I toggle the switch. Note how the register value updates to 1, and instantly the circuit updates. The else block vanishes, and we enter the if branch, showing the correct logic for this specific state. Logic verified. Now we run it. The system doesn't just give you a chart. It breaks down results by simulation branches. You can see how the circuit logic physically changed during the execution based on the measured values. Quantumlings is your guided learning platform to solve real quantum computing problems with the world's best simulation and visualization tools. Start coding with Quantumlings today.